pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Eve pudding. For the filling you will need enough fruit to 3/4 fill a pie dish and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the topping I'm using the sandwich cake foundation recipe, which is 4 ounces of self-rising flour, 2 ounces of sugar, 2 ounces of butter, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. First beat the egg and milk. Now beat the sugar and butter. I'll soften the butter. Now stir in the flour and the beaten egg mix slowly, a little at a time. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. The mixture should be soft. And now to the filling. Add the fruit and the sugar to a pan, saucepan, and stew for a short while. If you're using fresh fruit, add 2 tablespoons of water. I'm using frozen fruit that's been thawed, so it doesn't need any water. I'll give it a little stir. And put a cover on. The recipe doesn't say how long a short while is, so I'm just guessing. I think that should be long enough. Next, put the fruit in a pie dish. And cover with the cake mix. Even out the top so the cake mix covers the fruit. Bake for 40 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. That's delicious, but it needs more fruit. Yes, much more fruit. But I didn't have any more fruit. I used what I had.